How many drinks have you had? You're coming from a golf course?
I played in a golf tournament in Wisconsin State.
Right, sir.
Did I pass this test?
Can you turn around?
No, I didn't.
July 23rd, 2026, Walworth County, Wisconsin. A guy drives out of a golf tournament, crosses a gore point on a bridge, gets pulled over. 28 minutes later, he is in handcuffs. The stop is not the issue. What matters is what happened after, the field tests, and the decision at the end that cost him a lot more than just a ticket.
Hi there. Deputy Core, Milwaukee County Sheriff's Office.
Were you speaking on the speaker back there?
I was.
I didn't even know you guys said that. So sorry.
All right. Reason for my stop today.
Right?
Yep.
That was what you said.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Reason for my stop today is the unsafe passing on the right, the lane
Say
deviation.
it louder. I'm sorry.
Unsafe passing on the right, cutting across the gore. Obviously, the gore.
Yes.
It's the marked area.
Gotcha.
Where are you coming from?
Well, I live in Dallas, so I came in to visit Grandma and Grandpa, so we're here. I'm going to meet them, but I got the gore.
You got the what?
The gore, you said?
Yeah.
That's what it is when you cross it?
Yep.
Yes. I got
Okay.
what you're saying. You said
And
I
you were
crossed
coming
it.
from Grandma and Grandpa? What did you say? It's really hard to hear you, dude.
I can't hear you either. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
I know. We gotta basically yell at
Yes,
each other,
I
right?
feel like I'm yelling at you.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Where are you coming from?
The golf course. And I'm going to meet Grandma and Grandpa.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll take a driver's license from you.
You got it. What's your name?
Deputy Core.
So I want to meet Grandma and Grandpa, and I passed the gore, which is the place you're talking about that I traveled over. I got it. You're saying I went over the white line.
What's a good phone number for you?
This is my dad's.
All right. What's your dad? The same last name?
Mirror Romo, yeah. So I got the same middle name and last name.
Okay. All right. Hang tight for me. All right. How many drinks have you had?
0.
You're coming from a golf course?
I played in a golf tournament in Wisconsin State.
Okay.
So it's like a USGA event.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna run you through some fields.
What's that mean?
Field sobriety tests. Are you willing to take any field sobriety tests?
Call my lawyer.
I'm sorry? Yes, you're denying to step out of the vehicle pending fields?
I'm just going to call my lawyer.
Okay, step out of the vehicle.
I'm going to call him.
Nope, step out of the vehicle.
I'm not allowed to.
Step out of the vehicle.
So you're going to take me.
Field sobriety test.
I'm still allowed to call my lawyer, right?
You're not.
I'm not allowed
Nope,
to.
step out of the vehicle. 24 dispatch.
24.
I'll take an additional 1017. He's
I'm okay
not
doing
stepping
it,
out of the
but
vehicle for field.
I'll do it. I'm just saying that I'm not allowed to call my lawyer.
And available squad, and it's backward to southbound, and back up
I'm
to
sorry?
17.
I'm not allowed to. I'm
You
not
are pending an OWI with investigation.
What's that mean?
Operating while intoxicated.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yes.
Copy, so you're up.
I want you to step out of the vehicle.
Copy. Yeah. 60, step off the field.
So you're set up because you think I can't.
All right, so you're going to step in front of my vehicle? Step in front of my vehicle.
If I put this right here?
Step in front of my vehicle, yes.
Before you back on this, you'll be cleared at C20 shortly.
24, squad, just slow it down. He's out of the vehicle. I'll be conveying him to the Sally Port for field.
I'm fine. It's fine.
Turn around for me.
Additional squad
I
to
think
copy.
there's a good chance that
Patting you down for weapons, okay?
Alright,
No
copy
weapons on
here.
you? Okay, all right. You're detained pending an OWI
What's your name?
investigation. Deputy Core, sir.
are you going to take me through the... I thought you were taking me through it.
So, as of right now, we're on a leveled ground. We're on a bridge. I want to convey you somewhere that's going to be an even surface, free of debris.
Yes, I agree. So we don't get hit.
Turn around for me.
I get you. We need the cars.
Yep.
I just want to make sure there's two more having PVT.
24, that's a negative.
You put me around to the jail, I have them.
I'll grab your phone for you, okay?
I'm already at the jail. Do you need any help?
What
All
about,
right. So,
what about the keys and everything?
okay, hang on.
Oh, my bad.
55 uses at the jail and 25 uses go back.
I will grab the keys. Your phone, I will grab as well,
Copy.
okay? You're detained pending an OWI investigation. I patted you down for any weapons. I would normally seat you on the passenger side. Due to it being so close to the concrete barrier, we're gonna go into traffic very carefully in the distress.
Seriously?
Yep,
Why not this way?
because you're not able to fit, sir. There's no, so we're gonna walk in the
Kinda big,
distress. We're gonna go in the distress.
Can we grab the phone first?
I will, sir,
And the
I only have
keys?
2 hands.
From northbound at Howard to more of a car to fit on the vehicle.
Have a seat. You in all the way?
What's that?
You in all the way?
I'm in, yes. Uncomfortably, but yes.
I know you're a taller fellow.
Yeah. It's a little bit. Yeah.
I copy.
All right, so do you want to swing your feet up outside so you have a little more room?
Yes. Can you take the cuffs off for a sec, please? Just for the
I
back.
sure can. Coming
For my
out.
back. Is that possible?
Well, sir, I'm going to have you step out completely.
I'm trying. I'm sorry. Just the bad back.
What's your location?
Let me know if you need a hand.
Yep. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. Is it possible to take it off just so I can?
Yep. You can take your hand out. You're welcome. No worries. All right, sir. So, based on your driving, where you were coming from, you said the golf course, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
And very interesting event.
The red glassy eyes, and then the odor of an intoxicated alcoholic beverage from your breath.
All the guys.
Okay. And then when my partner brought the backpack that you wanted, we basically do not an inventory, but I make sure that there's no guns in there. Exactly. And there were a few shooters in there that I observed.
Yeah. Any of them drink?
Okay.
I don't
So,
think any of them are drink, right?
okay. So based off of that, I'm going to run you through some fields,
Yeah.
SFSTs.
Let's do it.
All
I'm
right.
good.
Okay. All right. So, flat surface, free to breathe. All my lights and everything are off. You're just going to stand in the front here for me.
Yes.
No worries. Go ahead, dude.
Two back surgeries. I just.
Has he been searched or like headed down?
Had it down, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Just stand in the middle for me, sir. Yep. And you're just going to turn around. You're going to have stand facing me. Feet together.
Yep.
Just slight half step forward up, push mark. Perfect. Thank you.
Feet together.
Sorry.
It's okay. Feet together, arms down at your side. Okay? Any head injuries?
Excuse me?
Any head injuries recently? Any concussions?
the years, yes, but not recently.
Okay. So please stand with your feet together and your hands down at the side. Do not do it. Please stand with your feet together and your hands down at your side. Do not do anything until I tell you. Do you understand?
Do you want shoes on?
What do you prefer?
Whatever you want.
Okay.
I got 5.
I'm going to check your eyes. Please keep your head still during the test. Look at the stimulus and follow the movement of the stimulus with your eyes only. Keep looking at the stimulus until the test is over. Do you understand? Stimulus, top of my pen, right over here, okay?
Yep.
Do you understand?
I got you.
Okay. Can you maintain the position?
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm going to make a couple of passes, okay? Top of my pen.
So what am I doing? Just tell me.
Which,
Am I looking at it or
you're going to look at the top of my pen. Stimulus, okay?
my eyes around it? Got it.
Yes. Make a couple passes, okay?
Okay, so I'm following this. That's your second.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it. This is in my head, or this is keeping this square.
Would you like the instructions one more time, sir?
I think I got you.
It's okay. Got to keep your head still, please.
That's asking. Okay.
Okay. So, eyes and eyes
Just
only.
the eyes.
Yep.
That's what I was saying. Move the head just a little to get there. Sorry. Wait. Sorry.
You're just going to keep your head straight for me. We're going to redo that, okay?
All right. Go ahead.
Still the top of my pen.
Yeah. Still stirring it.
Don't move your head. Eyes and eyes only, please, okay?
Okay.
So I didn't realize I was still on there.
Around the 14-minute mark, the HGN is done and the walk-and-turn starts. This is where the case either holds together or falls apart. Watch how he runs this. Field sobriety tests are not guesswork. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration built these to catch what alcohol does to the brain. HGN catches eye movement the driver cannot control. Walk and turn catches split focus. Under Wisconsin Statute 346.63, what the deputy sees on those tests goes into evidence, not to convict, to arrest. Wisconsin courts have also said these are observation calls, not science. How much they matter depends on who is in the jury box. The stop is clean. Crossing a gore point is a real violation. Terry versus Ohio covers it. But once the license check is done, the clock starts ticking. Rodriguez versus United States, 2015, says he cannot hold someone longer than the stop requires, unless something new shows up. And something did. Red, glossy eyes, smell of alcohol, the driving pattern that started the stop. All three named on camera before the stop got extended. That covers Rodriguez. A defense attorney will push back on every one, but they are in the record. Pennsylvania versus Mims. The deputy can tell him to step out. That is settled. What is worth noting is the phrasing at 2 minutes 17. The deputy called his hesitation a refusal before he even finished responding. Small thing, but suppression motions are built on small things. Mr. Romo asked for a lawyer more than once. The Sixth Amendment is clear on that. The issue is how he asked. Saying he was not allowed to call his lawyer is not the same as saying he wants one. Courts want that direct. Though asking repeatedly, a judge could read that as clear enough.
The next step is the walk. The next step is going to be the walk and turn instructions, okay? Place your left foot on the line, real or imaginary, so you're going to picture a straight line in front of you.
Okay.
You can remain there.
I'll start over. Walk and turn instructions. You're going to picture a straight line in front of you. Place your left foot on the line, real or imaginary. So take your left foot, put it on that line. Place your right foot on the line ahead of your left foot, with the heel of your right foot against the toe of the left foot. Exactly. Yep, exactly how I'm doing. Place your arms down at the side. Maintain this position until I complete the instructions. So maintain that position for me. Would you like me to start over? Okay, I'll start. So picture a straight line in front. Okay? Take your left foot, put it on that line. Take your right foot, put it in front. Heel to toe touching. Place your arms down at the side. Maintain this position until I've completed the instructions. You can do not start to walk until you're told to do so. Do you understand the instructions so far?
So put my left foot down, my right foot in front, on the line, and then I'm going to make it for you. Correct? I think I'll use.
When I tell you to start, take 9 heel to toe steps on the line, turn and take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. I'm going to demonstrate by doing 3 steps. Okay? When you turn, keep your front foot on the line and turn by taking a series of small steps with the other foot. I will demonstrate it for you, okay? While you are walking, keep your arms at your sides, watch your feet at all times, and count your steps out loud. Once you start walking, do not stop until you have completed the test. Do you understand the instructions? Okay, all right. So, take your left foot, put it on the line, the straight line, real or imaginary. Take your right foot. Left foot on the line, right foot in front, heel to toe touching. Yep. Heel to toe touching.
Yep, just like this. Left foot on the line, right foot directly in front of it, arms down at your side while she explains the rest of the instructions.
Okay. Yep.
Yep.
All right. Place your arms down at the sides. Okay? Keep your arms down at the side. Maintain this position until I have completed the instructions. Do not start to walk until you're told to do so. Do you understand the instructions so far? When I tell you to start, take 9 heel to toe steps on the line, turn and take 9 heel-to-toe steps. I will demonstrate for you, okay? When you turn, keep the front lead foot on the line and turn by taking a series of small steps with the other foot. I'm going to demonstrate with 3. You will do 9, okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sorry?
Sorry, I got it. You got it.
Okay. You're going to use a series of small steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let me know if you need another demonstration. Would you like me to? Sure. Place your left foot on the line, real or imaginary. Place your right foot on the line ahead of the left foot with the heel of your right foot against the toe of the left foot. I'm demonstrating for you. This is my left foot. I'm taking my right foot, putting it in front of my left, heel to toe touching, okay? So you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps on that line. You're going to take 9 heel to toe steps back along that same line, keeping your front foot, lead foot, forward. I can start over with the instructions if you would like, sir. 9 steps. Nine heel to toe steps. Sorry, sir? No, the next text is going to be the one leg stand. Okay? Please stand with your feet. Please stand with your feet together and your arms down at the side. Demonstrating it for you. Do not start the test until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? Okay. Would you like me to read the first part over again, sir? Please stand with your feet together, arms down at the side. Do not start the test until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? When I tell you to start, raise either leg with the foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. Keep both legs straight and your arms down at the side. So foot parallel to the ground, okay? All right, keep both legs straight and your arms down at the side. Holding that position, count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until you are told to stop. Keep your arms at your sides at all times and keep watching the raised foot. I'm going to demonstrate for you, okay? And then you just tell me which foot you want to raise, okay? I think I'm going to raise my right, okay? Approximately 6 inches, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop. Okay? Got to tell you to begin. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Which foot are you choosing to raise, sir?
I'm trying to think about which one's stronger with all the actual relief I've done with all the back exercises, but I feel like I should probably go with the left, I would say. Maybe the right? Nah, we'll go with the left.
Okay.
I'm going to raise the right. So I'm going to use the left.
Okay. May I begin?
Oh, I know that was at least 8 or 9 seconds. By the way, I do this consistently every day, but the right.
Gonna be stopping the test.
than the left, I feel like. Oh, sorry. You want me to go the right?
All right.
Sorry.
Um,
Sorry.
you
Not to.
willing to submit to a PBT
What is that?
machine that you go on?
It's a preliminary drug test.
It does not determine the results of
Oh,
my
no, we're
test.
not doing that.
Okay.
I've ever heard from all lawyers, don't ever do that.
Okay.
So
All right.
we're not gonna do that.
Okay. All right, sir.
Did I pass this test?
You turn around.
No, I didn't, huh? Can I use my phone real quick? Because there's a plane taking off.
You're
My
under
parents are
arrest
there.
for
Okay.
operating
We'll
while
get to
under the
that.
influence, okay?
But you can turn around.
I'll read you a sheet and everything.
You just put your shoes on, but then I need you to turn around.
Yep. Okay.
Thank you. We'll get to that. We'll get to that.
Do you need two cuffs, sir? Or are you okay with one?
Please, one.
Okay.
Two with the back.
Yeah, so it gives you a little more armor?
Well, the back, I'm saying that was uncomfortable in there.
Okay. Would you like
Would you
two?
want the second set?
I don't know what that means.
A little bit easier on your shoulder. We'll give you two.
I don't know what that means.
Well,
We're just
you
gonna
tell
put
us
two
how
sets
you,
of cuffs on you.
Two cups. Okay.
We're just gonna go a little bit easier on your shoulder.
Oh,
We saw you.
wider.
Yeah, a little wider, a little easier on your shoulder. Okay.
All right. Can I seriously call the parents though real quick and just tell
Well,
them?
we've got some other stuff we got to get through first, and then we understand you got a child. I understand who you are.
He's on a plane.
I gotcha. And I understand who you are. We're going to try to make,
Yeah. I got you.
we're going to get,
Well,
we'll get you through this, okay?
anyone able to search the mail, please?
Yeah. I'm going to search you one more time, okay?
Yep.
Anything else on you?
Yep. No, there's
Nothing else on you? Okay. Nothing that's going to poke me, harm me, stick me, or anything like that?
I think you're good.
Okay. I just ask everybody that.
All right.
Hey.
Mr. Romo, do you mind if I read you something?
Miranda rights.
If I open the door, you're not going to try to get out, are you?
If you let me get out, I'd love to stretch, but
Well, can't
whatever
technically
you want
let
me
you.
to do,
Okay.
I'll do.
All right.
Whatever you want. You've already won today, so whatever you want.
All right, sir. So I have to read you the informing the
Is
accused.
it possible for me to stand up while you do this, just to get out of here for a second?
Okay.
I'm sorry, I really have had 2 back surgeries. I'm not
Okay.
joking. It's not an exaggeration.
All right. So how about this? I'll meet you halfway. I'll open the door. You can swing your legs out. That way you're a little more comfortable,
sounds
okay?
good. That's great. Thank you so much.
You are a taller individual, so I'm willing to work with you. Just stay seated
Yes,
just like
I
that,
will.
please, okay?
Thank you.
Don't get up. Perfect. I don't want the door to hit you. All right. This is the informing the accused. Under Wisconsin's implied consent law, I'm required to read this notice to you. You've either been arrested for an offense that involves driving or operating a motor vehicle after using alcohol or drugs or both, or you are suspected of driving or being on duty time with respect to a commercial motor vehicle after using alcohol or drugs or both. This law enforcement agency now wants to test 1 or more samples of your breath, blood, or urine to determine the concentration of alcohol or drugs in your system. If any test shows more alcohol in your system than the law permits while driving or a detectable amount
Yep.
of a restricted controlled substance, your operating privilege will be suspended. If you refuse any requested test, your operating privilege will be revoked and you will be subject to other penalties. The test results or the fact that you refuse testing can be used against you in court. If you take all the requested tests, you may also choose to take the alternative test that this law enforcement agency provides free of charge.
What is that?
You may also
What's the alternative?
have a test conducted by a qualified person of your choice at your expense.
Oh.
You, however,
I'll do that.
will have to make your own arrangements for that test. If
Okay.
you have a commercial driver's license or were operating a commercial motor vehicle, other consequences may result
Yeah.
from positive test results or from refusing testing, such as being placed out of service or disqualified.
Okay.
Will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your breath?
No. Like I said, I want my lawyer
Okay.
for the 8th time.
Okay. So maybe swing back in here, kind of explain what the next steps are from here, okay? So since we refuse, which is totally your right to do, okay?
I mean,
We have to, so what we're gonna do is now is we gotta apply for a search warrant and have a judge sign off on it, okay? So we're gonna get a test on it. No, sir, that's kind of the
possible?
So, and then once that blood draw is complete, then we can look at getting you a phone
Is
call,
it possible
okay?
to call parents just to tell them that
We'll,
I'm
we'll,
not dead?
we will
They
get to
thought
that,
I'd be
okay?
there now.
All right. I'm gonna buckle you up, okay? If possible, can you shimmy forward a little bit?
Do we really need? Do we really
Can you lean
need
back?
these? Seriously.
Yeah, unfortunately. All right. Won't be too much longer, okay?
Here is the part most people miss. Wisconsin Statute 343.305. The moment he got his license, he already agreed to a breath test. That was the deal. So refusing does not make the test disappear. It just makes things worse. First refusal, 1 year off the license. That refusal also goes straight into evidence at trial. Prosecutors use that. And Deputy Corey can still go get a warrant for a blood draw. So he did not dodge the test, he just gave the DA extra ammunition. Deputy Corey ran this clean. Reasons on camera before extending the stop. Implied consent advisory read word for word, no shortcuts. The only thing worth flagging is the exit order phrasing. Not a problem here, but in a closer case, that one line gives a defense attorney something. He also re-ran the walk and turn instructions every time Mr. Omo lost track. That is not being slow. That is protecting the arrest. Mr. Omo handled himself well. Polite, did not fight, got out when he had to. Refusing was his right. But whoever told him to never blow did not explain Wisconsin to him. Year off the license, refusal in evidence, blood draw coming anyway. That is the math. Remember the gore point. Looks like nothing. It handed them a clean stop and turned a golf trip into a 28-minute OWI. The advice to never blow sounds smart, until you read Wisconsin Statute 343.305. That refusal costs a year off the license, goes into evidence, and does not stop the blood draw. Generic advice and state law are two different things. For the deputies watching, the instruction repeat is not paperwork. If any part of the walk and turn gets skipped, the test result can get thrown at a suppression hearing. Deputy Corey took the time. The arrest is cleaner for it. Got a stop or arrest worth breaking down? Drop it in the comments. That is what this is here for. Thanks for watching.